Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Tricks. Hope you are doing great, right? Do you know that cells will speak? Yes, cells will speak. Now you will see how the cells will speak. So first what you will do is, you will just click on this office button or file button in newer versions, in the latest versions that is in file button. Then go to Excel options. Go to customize, come down here, you will get, so here you will click on all commands because some of the commands will be hidden. So here you will click on all commands, go down, you will get speak cells, down. Here it is. Here it is. So just click on add. Speak cells, stop speaking cells is also. Cells by columns, cells by rows, cells on enter. Add all these. Then click on OK. So if you want to, actually what you will do, you will just enter the details in your laptop. If you want to check with your hard copy, what you will do, it is a big job, right? So now speak cells will help you to check the soft copy and the hard copy. So how it is, see here. Here you will see the button, speak cells button here. It is play, it is stop. So I will on this speak cells
is.
So you can hear it.
Is 100, 68, 65, 88, 88, 65, 2, ha, 50, 58, 69, 99, 99, 69, 3, AMR, 60, 47, 100, 77, 77, 100.
So if you want to stop, you will click on this stop cells. Now how the cells spoke, like horizontally, how she spoke horizontally. If you want vertically, what you will do is, again you will click this. Now you can hear.
Ha, AMR, Ahmed, Osama, Daya, Yaman, Abdul-Rima, Faris, Ayad, Telugu, 100, 50, 60, 78, 58, 96.
So now I am stopping this. This is how we will read. The cells will be spoken by horizontal and vertical. So this is C. Speak cells by rows. That means horizontal. You can check this also. If you want to check, C. I will play this.
Is 100.
This is the same
68.
as
68. 6.
So now what I will do, if the cell, if you click on enter, I will write something here, coding tricks, and then I will click on enter, then it will play.
Coding tricks.
See, it is playing.
Coding tricks.
This is how the cells will speak, horizontally, vertically, and if you click on enter. Thank you everyone. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye. Take care.